Today, I'm excited to introduce AI Transcribing Bot, an intelligent AI-powered solution that listens to your voice and transforms it into accurate transcripts, smart summaries, key topics, and professional medical legal reports. Built with OpenAI's Whisper model and advanced cleaning techniques, this tool is designed specifically for doctors, solicitors, researchers, and professionals who need fast, reliable, and high-quality documentation. From raw audio to a polished report, everything happens automatically with just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you how it works, from uploading your audio to generating a complete professional report. So, if you're tired of spending too much time on transcription and documentation, stay tuned. You can download the complete project from my GitHub repository. The code is open source and includes everything you need to run it locally. Here's the project in action, from installing dependencies to processing audio files using Whisper AI and generating clean outputs. Welcome to the AI Transcribing Bot interface. On the left side, you can see the settings panel where you can enable or disable features like generating summary, extracting topics, and enabling chat with the transcript. In the center, simply upload your audio file. It supports MP3, WAV, and M4A formats. Once uploaded, you can preview the audio right here. Now, click the Process Audio button to start the magic. The system first transcribes your audio using the powerful Whisper medium model. You can see the progress bar moving as it processes the file. After transcription is complete, the cleaned transcript appears in the first tab. Next, the AI generates a professional summary highlighting the key points of the meeting or medical report.